Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today video is about me and my Andy gonna sing a gospel song. So the title of the song is Whispering Hope. So this song we're gonna sing in our own dialect. So if you're watching, please watch the video till the end. And yeah, thank you. Who's away love and jana Ando hancholan soyi Nune zenga ateriana Lam tunga kocha wado Emangani shenga chelia Sepian sani sepian Shan tua fuya kantakana Long shimata tengon you To rise wala Ei lo matawon No ravalia Rambambro Rayala O pina ayeng isate La meton abitagang Nangone nangrakyavalya Ona ayan chedagang Enmokolani yelme Watanto agamdagan Wanzane chakapina Mata esa tetalan Tezala rise wala Ei lo matawon No ravalia Lambambro Rayala God bless. God bless. And guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you are watching, please subscribe and share our video. And yep, as usual, see you in the next video day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Take care. Good night.
Bye bye. Good night.
Bye bye.